So what's up guys? So today my topic is that why in every college or every class or every place there is a certain guy which liked by a many girl or he will be surrounded by a many girl, right? One person, yeah, you can see in wherever, even in college, classroom, some parties, some whatever things, right? So here two types of guy we find. One guy who just casually talk to everyone. Okay, like they don't have feelings. If they find anything good, initiate it. If don't find bad, don't initiate. Just observe the body language, how she is responding. But the another fuck guy will be there, like he will be nice guy. Okay, just sit in the class. Their friends, male and female friend, will go outside to wandering here, walking, football, sports, talk here, interact with each other. But the one guy will be sitting around the one girlfriend or maybe female best friend with other other female best friend talking around, wasting their productive time instead of making the connection with the boys, just talking time with the few fellow girls, not connecting with our other environment. So what this create is that they'll be like out of the society, means out of the group of the boys, which creates that he will not be utilize his proper energy in his career, in his growth. Okay, just like he's just with them, right? In morning he come, the energy drain is happening, the emotional swing is happening, he listen every words, every things. Who the girl don't have the hobby of there. Okay, girl don't have hobby there, they don't have aim there, they are just he's just listening the sitting said things, mood swings of the girls. Don't go out anywhere, just hanging with the girls. In the future the girls will not be helpful for him, right? If a boyfriend, if a male friend you make, he will be helpful in you throughout your life. But if a female friend you make, she will go run away with her husband, boyfriend. He will be only the emotional support for him. What's the use of that, man? We're wasting your time. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, outside the man is wandering here and there. So you will be only be utilized by the females. All right. I don't know when the class will come or not. Leave it. So you will only be the utilized by the them. Okay. So instead of doing that, I suggest that focus on your study or do extra activities like football, volleyball, do sports, whatever. Learn something, write notes. I'm not saying that don't be friendly with them. You just be friendly. In the whole day, just talk much. Hi, hello, how are you? What you doing? That's it, man. If you have some work, just go and talk. But the in class, all men are in gathering. They are in the middle of the girls. What is the use of that feminine energy, man? I know I have also done mistake. I'm saying this from my learning, right? This all the video I made now. This I am inspired by the Kiran Roy plus, and I'm not taking full his points. I've not get his premium courses. I just the free courses I've learned and the other courses, and then my from my observation I'm saying these things. I am putting my examples. I know it's good to be with them, right? But it's better to have a male friends. The girlfriends will have other boyfriends. You would just be a side emotional support. Right? You are with the maxima girl. If at least in that group you have girlfriend also, what's the use? You are just waiting your full energy time there. You just need to give the two 1 hours, that also maximum 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Just go sit there in breaks, talks, come here, again the group, enjoy the boy. But to keep the fucking whole day from first class to last class. No use of that. Should I continue or stop? Yeah. So these are my things. Okay. Hope you understand. Just you can see that he's just sitting in, like just see the how the routine will be in college work also na he come meet everybody, he will be surrounded by the girl have their own boyfriends, girl have their own problems, mood swings, anything share to the boyfriend. The boyfriend is sorry, the male friend is means just giving the emotional support. At the end, he don't give even the sex and the kiss, even the romantic support also. He's just wasting his time to the fucking lady who is not gonna be helpful for him in future. Instead of grouping them, क्या रे ये वीडियो बना रहा है. Instead of focusing on them, you just create a male group, right? They will teach you, you can hang out with them, you can learn with them, you can be surrounded by the masculine energy. Okay, if a good circle is there, if you need help at the night 12 p.m, he will be available with their bike. If you are a got accident in the hospital, he will be available with he and his your friends, 3 friends, 4 friends, whatever, he will be available with bike. If you got a problem, he will be available in your first time. If you need money, he will be available. In the old age, he will be available. That's it. Thank you for watching.